I'm here with Wells Fargo Advisors Senior Vice President of Investments, John Harrell. And John, some welcome news today on Wall Street. As Sydney mentioned, the Dow posted its best day in a decade, rising nearly 1,300 points, or just over 5%. It's been a wild time on the markets. The factor in the coronavirus, and that's part of it, right?
Sure. Well, the impact has been that all of the gains for 2020 have been erased. I mean, even though we had a nice reflex rally today,
right.
One day in a row is not a trend, okay? But we're still down about 1,800 points on the Dow for the year to date. People feel a little bit better when they look at their accounts online today. But the other thing is this: last week it was the fastest we've ever had a 10% plus correction in the marketplace, and that will get people's attention. The main thing that people need to do is they need to realize stocks were just completely sold off wholesale last week. There was no buyers out there until Friday afternoon when we got a little bit of a lift. The most important thing is, before you go jumping back in, if you did take any money out, if you have money on the sidelines, talk to your advisor. Get some advice.
So there were a lot of panic sellers last week, and that would be your advice, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, tell us about some of the stocks that, if you're a stock picker, which would be some good ones right now to pick?
Well, my firm prevents me from talking about individual stocks,
okay.
And that's going to be an individual discipline, because everybody has different risk tolerances. Like what might be right for you wouldn't work for her, and it wouldn't work for Jim.
Right.
So that's an individual discipline, and the main thing is panic, of course, is not an investment strategy. Long-term investing is a strategy. We had a nice reflex rally today. Does it continue tomorrow? Nobody knows.
Right.
We just don't know.
What are the fundamentals of the U.S. economy as you see it?
They're strong. Our economy is mega huge, and it takes a lot to really impact it. We won't know the full impact of coronavirus for a couple of months worldwide. It takes that much time to get out. We're seeing some stimulus coming from the Eurozone and also from China into their economies. We have a belief that the Fed may do something. I don't know if they will or will not, but that was one of the things that got the rally going today, because they have tools which can really keep us from falling into an artificial recession, if you will. But today's rally was good. It was very, very good as I've seen ever.
A lot of people have smiles on their faces hoping it keeps on going up. John Harrell, Senior Vice President of Investments at Wells Fargo Advisors, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.